Hey, it's Luke from Arbsession, and today we're going to take a closer look at the Exotica RockO WireEye auto-locking carabiner. We are showing it alongside a 14-ounce Arbsession throw weight for size reference. The WireEye series of carabiners combines the utility of a standard carabiner with the safety and capability of a lanyard pin or captive eye. The WireEye holds gear, lanyards, and lines with enough resistance to help prevent gear from moving past the end of the carabiner, but releases easily when lifted up. When the potential for dangerous leverage or cross-loading can occur, the WireEye helps keep the carabiner oriented correctly and the gear where it belongs. You can use this as a standard RockO carabiner, but with the added benefit of the wire restraint. It features the same strength and quality characteristics as the other Exotica carabiners. To open, pull down towards your palm, twist, and open. The minimum braking strength of the major axis is 24 kilonewtons. The minor axis is 9 kilonewtons. The MBS when open is 6 kilonewtons. You can find the Exotica RockO WireEye Carabiner and many other great tree care products on Arbsession.com. Please check us out. It's our goal to provide you with the best customer service in the entire tree world.